Alright, it's engine night here, and I got the boys here.
Cheers.
Hey. So we're gonna take us outside. We're gonna see if we can start it. What do you say?
Alright.
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 Alright. Alright. We're out here with the boys, and give it a shot, buddy. Right. It may scream because it's a screamer, so right. Don't get excited. Hold that light, buddy. Screw that in a little bit right there. Alright, settle down. Alright, we're not going to be able to adjust the idle until we fix the generator. Come over here with your light, buddy. Yeah, the guy said the generator wasn't working, so now that we got the engine running, we're going to take it inside and see if we can see anything, if anything is obviously wrong with it.
That's right. And
then we might have to bring it outside and start hitting it with some... You know what? We didn't even see if it worked yet. Plug that in, buddy. Brought a light out here. We got a meter, but... yeah, start it up. Alright, let's take it inside where it's a little warmer and see if we can see anything obvious. And then we might have to bring it out and put some meters on it. And if we can't figure it out, then we'll just have to wait for Mike. Mike's the generator. He does it, the generator expert. He does it for a living, so we'll get it. We'll get it, right, buddy?
Yeah, bud.
Alright. Alright, here's where we're at. We took the sides off the generator here to get a better look at it. We seem to have a rectifier in there. We are getting continuity, so I'm assuming that this is okay. Looks like it might have a capacitor in there, but like I say, I think this is okay, but I don't want to tear it apart. I'd rather have Mike look at it and check it out. He's got the meters to do it right. And that just sits in here. But me and Little Dirt Bike were trying to figure out how to get this front piece off. And we were looking at it, and when I bought this had a big piece of packaging tape. I don't know if you can see it, holding this label on. You can feel like there's a hole in the middle. And it was cracked here. So we're trying to get it off, and I said, you know what, there's something behind there, and it might have something to do with holding it on. So we cut it loose, and oh man, looks like somebody was in it already. And by the looks of the ball bearings, looks like it might be running off center, and maybe it's shorting itself out, or it's stuck to the side. You know, like an old alternator or generator, when it goes bad, they stick to the side, and sometimes you hit them with a hammer, you get them going again. But with all these ball bearings in there missing, that could be the problem. And I think this must be molded in, and that bolt must still be holding it in. I don't know. We got to figure out how to take that off. But I think that's going to be one of the problems. So that's going to take us a little while to figure out. So I don't know if this is salvageable or not. But anybody know about the front of these and how they come off? Let us know. Possibly by the time you tell us, we already have it off, but
more than likely.
More than likely, we either took it off or smashed it off. But that's where we're at. So we're at a standstill here, and instead of wasting your time, we're just going to call it a video, right, buddy?
All right, sounds good to me.
All right, enough of this for now. It's going to be a short one. See you guys in the next one. All right, before you guys go, I'm going to let you see what I'm figuring out here. Alright, Little Dirt Bike and Daddy Dirt Bike left, but I'm looking at this, and I took this bolt out here. And that's not holding anything right now, but what I think it does, I'll give you a little light. I think it's supposed to hold this faceplate on, and I think this bearing might be molded into this plastic. And I don't think the bearing is what caused the problem in this generator. I think that bearing is messed up like that from whatever problem was in here, they had to take the faceplate off, and they destroyed this bearing and the faceplate trying to get it off, and they never did get into the generator to see what was wrong. So now I put some aero coil on there. That's good stuff, and let it sit for a while. I mean, this thing is rusted in place. This whole thing should probably just slide right off, but it don't. I don't want to put any heat to this because besides the plastic outside here, you also have a plastic fan right in here. You know, I might be able to put a little bit of heat to it without damaging stuff, but I'd rather not. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to keep putting the aero coil on here and wiggling and jiggling it. I don't know what it's going to do, or you know, if I'm going to be able to get it off or not. We'll see. Mike might stop by tomorrow and look it over and see what kind of problem I'm having with it, and he may even say, you know, this generator isn't worth messing with, just smash it off and save the engine. So we'll see, but that's where we're at. So I just thought I'd give you that little update, let you know where we're at. Alrighty, enough of this.